Right, morning all, just heading off to see a guy, and we're gonna have a chat about doing an underseal on the V.I.P. Just needing some love. My warrant guys pulled me up on some surface rust under there, so we're just gonna check it out and see what it's gonna take to get it sorted. Like always, first thing is getting it going. Car going. So if you got one of these classic cars, you'll know that what you got to do is always carry your tools in the back. Lots of bits and pieces, especially water and oil, just in case you break down on the side of the road. And before you go on a trip, you gotta check your oil and water. And just check for leaks as well. Like yesterday there was petrol coming out of that hose where it shouldn't be, like it had a crack in it. So yeah, these old cars, keep your wits about you. They're not like modern cars. Right, what about the oil? What's that like? So that oil looks pretty good. Time to the fire and explosions going inside the engine. Almost. Clouds of smoke out the back. Don't tell the greenies. Just a secret. Nice lazy tune coming out of there and spitting out the back. God only knows. Oh, yuck. Do this. The coastal highway towards Rotorua. And just looking up the coast to the national park, Abel Tasman National Park up there. So Terry's back this way a little bit. The area used to be famous for apples. Now it grows all sorts of things. You know, whatever crop isn't working, pull it out, try something else. Yeah, I have seen them for sale, and I'm kind of wondering about about paying, you know, just thinking about paying the extra for the pedigree.
You know, I don't dislike the cars, but I love the wagons.
Yeah, they're so practical. Why wouldn't you? And what are you doing to the motor? Just giving it a freshen up, or is it?
Yeah, he's gonna tweak it a little bit.
Oh yeah, great. Yeah.
Might as well do the shit while we've got the opportunity.
Well, the thing is, it's a great looking old car, isn't it? So it's not gonna devalue. I mean, it's just gonna make it more and more valuable, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. God only knows. It's nothing you haven't seen before, I should imagine. You want to back it up on the stands, or you?
Oh, yeah, if you take it off the stands, probably more room at the arse end now.
Yeah, it's a bit low because it got lowered.
Yeah, just the same thing back here, Dan.
Yeah.
Got around under, you know,
Yep.
here and shit like that.
Yeah. Once you got it up on the hoist, you'll be able to spot it nice and easy and deal with it.
Yep.
Well, I'm totally happy to go with your recommendation because
Yep.
you know what you're talking about and what you're looking at.
Yep.
I just want to keep Ricky happy because he's into this car, my Warren Fitness guy, so if I keep doing the things he keeps suggesting, you'll keep passing it. Yep.
Yep. Give it a good water blasting to get rid of dirt and shit
Yep.
out of the areas I need to work on. It just makes it so much easier.
Yeah, no, that sounds good.
Run around further with that and get things where I need to blast, and I'll give it a very light blasting, and then I'll put an extra primer on it,
Yeah.
and then I'll put stipple coat on.
Yeah, great.